emotional po si Miguel Tan Felix na nagpapasalamat sa lahat ng sumuporta sa kanila dahil ngayong gabi at bukas ang finale shows ng Voltos 5. Very emotional because they worked on this project for 3 years and sa massive support na nakuha ng Voltos 5, Miguel says maraming salamat. Samantala po sa Battle of the Judges, that happens also Saturday at 7:15 in the evening. Ito yung tinatawag ko na yung Battle to the Top. Ito yung semi-finals. Alam ko napapanood nyo na you are able to watch a plug now that it's Boy Abunda's Talent versus Boy Abunda's Talent. Pakahirap po. One, if not the most difficult moment on television as a judge na naranasan ko. Between our soprano diva, si Kathy Hipolito Mas, at si the Kid on Fire, what's his name, Clyde Basbas. Napakahirap po talaga. After the judging, nalaman ho namin na nagtay. It had to come down to my decision. It was difficult. Hindi ko alam kung anong aking gagawin, pero malalaman niyo po, antabayanan niyo po, panoorin niyo po ang Battle of the Judges ngayong darating na Sabado, that's 7:15 in the evening. Sunday po, 11 o'clock in the evening, you have Kaitan in Action with Boy Abunda. It's a legal show. Maraming salamat po sa inyong mga suporta at pagmamahal at lahat ng inyong ibinibigay na lakas sa amin. We're able to do what we do because of your support. Thank you. Jean,
yes.
Diba? Let's talk about love lessons. Ano ang, let's say if there was one important love lesson that you learned in life, ano yun?
Ang natutunan ko sa dami ng relasyon din na dinaanan ko, no, Kuya Boy, siguro number 1 is respeto talaga. Respeto at pagtanggap. Kapag pinili mong mahalin ng isang tao, unahin mo ang respeto at unahin mong tanggapin muna ang lahat ng nasa kanya. Kasi kapag nasa loob ka na ng relasyon, kahit gaano mo kamahal, kapag dumating ka pa rin sa point na, ay, hindi ko pala kayang tanggapin yung ganito niya, maghihiwalay at maghihiwalay kayo. So, ito pagtanggap talaga.
I get that. And it's not easy. It takes a
easy,
lot of respect
yes.
and then love. The best thing about being single.
Best thing about being single, wala kang inaalagaan. Sarili mo lang. At mga tao lang na gusto mo talagang alagaan.
The best and the worst about men.
Childish.
Ito yung
very childish. At saka very, matitigas ang mga ulo. O yung mga nakilala ko, matitigas lang talaga ang mga ulo. Mahilig yata ako sa mga bad boys
Okay.
Kaya hindi naging successful.
What about the best? The best thing about?
The best in men, kung talagang mahal ka, they will fight for you, no matter what.
And that feels good.